Want to take your affiliate marketing to the next level? Look no further than RPM 3.0. Say goodbye to the endless hassle of setting up a full system because the Rapid Profit Machine will set everything with its auto-tagging technology. Hello friends, I am Andrew and we will see the review of Rapid Profit Machine, the ultimate game changer. Rapid Profit Machine is an affiliate marketing system that provides users with a 100% done-for-you (DFY) solution to become a successful affiliate marketer without prior knowledge or technical skills. The system offers DFY landing pages, email sequences, and high-converting products with affiliate links already hard-coded for you. By directing traffic to these landing pages, visitors can submit their emails to access a free training video, and the system follows up with leads and promotes high-ticket training and software programs in the back-end, allowing you to earn commissions on autopilot. Rapid Profit Machine is a user-friendly affiliate marketing tool. It is designed to help beginners quickly generate leads and affiliate commissions. RPM 3.0 offers free training on email marketing, solo ad traffic, mindset, and other valuable topics for its members. With this incredible tool, you can start earning your first commission in just a few hours. Developers take over a year to make this fully featured tool more efficient and easy to use for users. Just press a button and watch it work flawlessly. In addition to the 100% DFY solution, Rapid Profit Machine offers free training on becoming a successful affiliate marketer, including mindset training, Google and Facebook retargeting training, and solo ads training for more high-quality traffic. Users have access to all affiliate building materials, tutorial videos, and affiliate marketing training videos inside the member area. Basic and advanced traffic-getting training videos are also available, and users can join a Facebook group with over 4,000+ members who share their experiences every day. RPM 3.0 is a comprehensive system that includes everything you need to start making money with affiliate marketing. The system includes pre-made landing pages, high-converting sales funnels, and a team of experts who can help you with anything you need. RPM 3.0 also offers a monthly contest with huge prizes, so you have the chance to win big if you're successful. Here are some of the key features of RPM 3.0. High-converting landing pages. RPM 3.0 includes a library of pre-made landing pages that are designed to convert visitors into customers. Sales funnels. RPM 3.0 also includes a library of high-converting sales funnels that can help you take your business to the next level. Expert support. RPM 3.0 has a team of experts who can help you with anything you need, from setting up your account to creating your first campaign. Monthly contest. RPM 3.0 offers a monthly contest with huge prizes, so you have the chance to win big if you're successful. Rapid Profit Machine is suitable for both new and knowledgeable marketers who want to add an additional income stream to their business. The program requires no technical or web design skills and no previous experience. It offers a 30-day refund policy and has had no significant cons until now. The benefits of using Rapid Profit Machine include starting one's own business and making money online, building the business of one's dreams, becoming a high-paying super affiliate without any technical knowledge. When you utilize this software for your work, it will become a 100% passive income source. That means you won't have to put in any extra effort to keep the money flowing. Once it's set up, you can get more revenue without doing any additional work. This software is your best choice if you want to take your new or existing online business to heights. By following the step-by-step instructions, you'll not only increase your knowledge of digital marketing but also earn lots of money. RPM 3.0 is a comprehensive affiliate marketing system that can help you make more money online. The system includes everything you need to start making money, including pre-made landing pages, high-converting sales funnels, and a team of experts who can help you with anything you need. RPM 3.0 also offers a monthly contest with huge prizes, so you have the chance to win big if you're successful. After watching the review of RPM 3.0, if you learn more about RPM 3.0, visit the official website only. Thank you for watching.